Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So this is our fourth lecture. Debris avalanches found in a humid region with or without vegetation and narrow tracks of steep slope. It is much faster than mud flow. It is similar to snow avalanches. Landslide. These are rapid and precipitable movement. Dry material are found. The size and the shape of the material are depending on the nature of the rock degree of weathering steepness of slope. This is image slump may formed next to the scarp wall. Slipping of one or several units of rock debris with a backward rotation with respect to the slope over which the movement takes place. Debris slide. Rapid rolling or sliding of earth debris without backward rotation of mass is known as debris slide. Debris slide. Rock fall. Types of mass wasting: glide or slide, slump, rock fall, flow. Rock slide. Sliding of individual rock masses down bending joint or fault surface. It is generally occurs at steep slope. Superficial layer of the rock generally fall. Reason for the landslide along Himalaya: tectonically active, made of sedimentary rock, steep slope, heavy rain, unconsolidated material is found. Erosion and deposition. Erosion involves acquiescing and transportation of rock debris. Abrasion by rock debris carried by geomorphic agent also aid erosion. By erosion, relief degrades the landscape is work done. Weathering may not be pre-condition for erosion. Weathering, mass wasting and erosion are degradational process. It is the erosion largely responsible for continuous change that the earth surface is undergone. Erosion and transportation are controlled by kinetic energy. Wind, running water and glacier are controlled by climate. Comparison of wind, running water and glacier. Wind predominant in hot desert. Sand dunes are commonly featured due to the wind. Examples are Sahara, Atacama, Kalahari. Air is gas. Limited landform are formed due to the air high speed. Running water found most part of the earth. Valley and deltas are common feature. Amazon, Nile, Brahmaputra water is liquid, extensive and form normal speed. Glaciers are found only in high altitude and latitude. Usual valleys and moraines are common. Greenland, Antarctica glaciers is sold in limited landform, very slow movement. Erosion. Application of kinetic energy associated with the agent to the surface of land along which it moves. It is computed as kinetic energy equal to 1/2 mv square, where m mass, v velocity, ke kinetic energy. Soil formation. Soil is the upper layer of earth's surface where plant can grow. It is most fertile part of the earth, which is found by wearing and tearing of the rock. Soil is a collection natural bodies on earth's surface containing living material and supporting or capable or support plant. Soil is a dynamic material in which many chemical, biological and physical activities go on constantly. It is the result of decay. It is also a medium of growth. It is changing and developing. Body characteristics are changing from season to season. To cool, to hot and dry area, biological activity stops. Organic matter increase when leaves fall and decompose. Process of soil formation. Weathering is basic process for soil formation. The weathered material transport and decompose due to the bacteria, lichens and moss. The dead remains increase the humus of the soil. Minor gases Minor grasses and ferns can grow. Bushes, trees also grow. Plant root and burrowing animal help the soil formation. Pedology is a science of soil. Pedologist is the doctor of soil. Pedogenesis is the formation of soil. Soil forming factors are parent material, topography, climate, biological activity and time. Parent material is a passive control factor. It is in situation, on site or transported. It is depend on texture, structure, chemical composition of the soil, nature and depth of weathering is an important factor. Chemical composition, texture are characteristic derived from the parent material. Topography, passive control factor, amount of the exposed to the sunlight, drainage system, steeps, slopes have lazy dark colored soil. In mid latitude southern slope exposed to the sun light and get decompose more. Climate is an active factor in the soil formation. Climate element or moisture in terms of its intensity, frequency and duration of the precipitation, evaporation and humidity. Temperature in terms of seasonal and diurnal variation. Precipitation increase the biological activity. Excess of water help to transport the dissolved particle to downward. Deposition of these particles is called elevation. Heavy rainfall remove the calcium, magnesium and sodium, potassium along with silica. Removal of silica is called desilication. In dry area, excess of evaporation lead to deposition of salt on the surface of soil. These salt layers are called hard pans. In the hot desert, in tropical climate under moderate rainfall condition, calcium carbonate nodes are formed. Biological activity, plant and animal add organic matter to the soil, also help in moisture retention, dead plant and humus to the soil in humid area. The bacterial activity is higher than cold area. As a result, undecomposed material is found in cold area. In hot area, the bacteria fix the nitrogen in the soil which used by the plant. Rhizomes and bacteria fix nitrogen in the soil and live in the roots of the ligaments, plant stems. Termites, rodents, earthworm change the chemical composition of soil. Time is a very key component, important controlling factor of soil formation. Longer the time, thicker the soil layer. No time limit for formation of the soil. So this is our last lecture. So in our fourth lecture series we discuss about why earth is uneven. I told you that earth is uneven due to the internal and external forces. When we discuss about the earth movement, I told you the earth movement is due to the endogenic and exogenic forces. Exogenic forces cause deposition and erosion, while endogenic forces called earthquake, volcano and landslide. Then we discuss about the diatropism and volcanism and geomorphic process, endogenic process, orogenic process, orogeny, epeirogeny, volcanism, stress, denudation, structure, weathering, type of weathering, oxidation, physical weathering, loading and expansion process, biological weathering, enrichment, mass movement and its type, solidification, mud flow and slumps, rockfall, erosion, process of soil formation, soil. Thank you everybody for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks.